Okay, so smoked peaches are definitely an underrated Traeger smoker recipe. I love to make them because they only take a half an hour and you only need two ingredients. So, first, you want to have your very ripe peaches. You can use white or yellow, and then you want to take out the pits. And once the pits are removed, it's time to season them up with just a little bit of brown sugar. They go on the smoker and smoke at 225 for about half an hour. You're going to see that I like to cook them when I'm cooking proteins because smoked peaches are really good to use either to start your meal as a smoker appetizer, like on a salad with some greens and some nuts and some yummy feta cheese and balsamic vinegar. Ah, one of my favorite salads for sure. So you could also use it as a smoked dessert because you could top it with some ice cream. It's kind of like a Cheetos peach cobbler on the smoker because that's a bit more involved, and here you're just smoking the peaches and then flavoring them up at the end. So here they're smoking with pork, which is a really great compliment to them because you want to serve smoked pork with something sweet. So delicious. All right, well, print out my favorite smoker recipes at Sip Bite Go. Till next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers! Ooh, so delicious.